So this bottle of juice is kiwi juice. Yeah. When I drink it, it's close, right? When I drink it. And there's, look up. There's inside in my mouth. See you soon. Actually, I have to jump.